Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to show you how I made these stunning glitter ornaments. I decided to test out two different finishes, Mod Podge and acrylic varnish, to see which one gives the best sparkle. The second ornament you see here is done with Mod Podge, while the Grinch ornament is coated in varnish. Now here's what I discovered. The Mod Podge started off looking kind of dull, but after about a week, it developed this soft, shimmery sparkle. The varnish, on the other hand, was dazzling right from the start. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how I used acrylic varnish to get that bright, glittery shine instantly. Let's get started. I begin by pouring a small amount of varnish into the ornament. You don't need much, but the more you add, the quicker it coats the inside. Once it's completely covered, place the ornament upside down in a cup to drain out any extra varnish. You can save that leftover varnish to use for your next ornament. No waste. To get rid of any bubbles, I use a heat tool, or you can totally use a hairdryer if that's what you have. A little gentle heat not only pops those bubbles, but also helps the varnish smooth out and flow beautifully inside the ornament. Once that's done, let your ornament dry for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding the glitter. This gives the varnish the perfect tacky texture for the glitter to stick to. Now for the fun part, the sparkle. I like to use a sheet of butcher paper underneath to catch all the extra glitter so nothing goes to waste. Just pour in your glitter, give the ornament a good shake, and take your time making sure every inch inside is covered in shimmer. When it's fully coated, pour the leftover glitter onto your paper and funnel it right back into a cup. Easy cleanup and no waste. Since the ornament needs time to dry, I won't be finishing in this video, but don't worry, the final result is coming soon. If you want to see what I turn this into, make sure to hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. And hey, I'd love to hear your ideas. What do you think I should make with this ornament? Drop your suggestions in the comments, and who knows, your idea might be the next project I take on. For these ornaments, I wanted to give them a little extra personality with a vinyl design. I traced a classic Grinch face and cut it out from black vinyl. And don't worry, the file will be up on my website soon so you can make your own too. The weeding part is super simple. It's that satisfying step where the design really starts to pop. Now, since the ornament isn't flat, applying the vinyl can be a bit of a challenge. Just take your time, work slowly, and gently smooth it down, feeling where the sticker naturally wants to sit. A little patience makes all the difference for that clean, professional finish. And here's a quick tip. You can reuse your transfer tape a few times, so don't toss it after one go. To give it that perfect finishing touch, I tied on a soft red ribbon, adding a cozy, traditional feel that instantly makes it more festive. It's such a simple detail, but it really brings the whole ornament to life, like something straight out of a Christmas storybook. If you were decorating this ornament, what would you add to make it special? Maybe a sprinkle of fake snow, a jingle bell, or a tiny name tag. Share your ideas in the comments. I always love seeing your creative twists on these projects. I just had to make an ornament with this gorgeous blue glitter. It's honestly one of my favorite colors. My Christmas tree this year has a beautiful ice blue and silver theme, so this ornament fits in perfectly with that frosty winter look. This one's a bit more of a classic style ornament, but it still turned out absolutely stunning. I can't get over how that shimmer catches the light. Just like with the first ornament, take your time. Don't rush this part. Gently smooth the vinyl down and feel where it naturally wants to sit. It kind of tells you where to go if you let it. A little patience here really pays off. That's how you get that clean, professional-looking finish everyone loves. As you're rubbing it on, the warmth from your hands actually helps soften the vinyl a bit, making it easier to stretch and stick smoothly over those curves. So take your time, enjoy the process, and you'll end up with a perfect, bubble-free design every time. To finish it off, I added a white ribbon, which gives it that clean, snowy touch. I actually made the bow before attaching it to the ornament. Little details like that really make a difference. They help your ornaments look professional and polished while keeping that handmade charm. This next ornament is one that's very close to my heart. I made it in memory of my sweet dog who passed away. I think we all feel that extra tug on our hearts around Christmas time. It's the season where we miss our loved ones just a little more. That's why this ornament is so special to me. It's not just decoration. It's a memory you can hold on to. I started this one just like the others, gently coating the inside with varnish, letting it dry, and then adding a soft layer of glitter for that beautiful sparkle. Once it was ready, I added a vinyl design, taking my time to smooth it down carefully and feel where it naturally wanted to sit. The gentle rubbing helped warm up the vinyl, making it easier to curve perfectly along the surface. To finish it off, I tied on a white ribbon, keeping it simple and peaceful, a perfect way to honor his memory. Paw Print's Blue Heart. Handmade ornaments like this mean so much more because every step carries love and intention. And if you've lost a pet or someone special, creating something in their memory can be a really comforting way to keep them close during the holidays. I really hope you enjoyed watching me make these glitter ornaments as much as I enjoyed creating them. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which ornament do you think would look perfect on your Christmas tree this year? Tell me down in the comments. I always love reading your ideas and seeing how creative you all get with your holiday decorations. If this video gave you some inspiration for your own Christmas crafts, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that little bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I post my next festive DIY. Thanks so much for crafting along with me today. Take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.